In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your 2021 taxes using Turbotax. Filing taxes can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with the right guidance and tools, it can be a lot simpler than you think. Turbotax is one of the most popular platforms for filing taxes online, and we're here to walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Turbotax official site. It's easily accessible through any web browser. Once you're on the homepage, your next action is to locate and click on the Sign In button. This will either direct you to log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't registered already. This is a crucial step because signing in ensures that all your information is safely stored and accessible whenever you need it. After you've signed in successfully, navigate to the Turbotax home. This area serves as your dashboard, giving you an overview of your progress and any pending tasks. Here you want to click on Review/Edit, which allows you to inspect your previous entries or make any necessary changes. It's a good idea to always double check this information to avoid any errors or omissions. Now shift your focus to the personal profile section next. Clicking on this will open up a form or a series of prompts where you need to enter your personal information. This includes your name, social security number, and other personal details that Turbotax needs to accurately file your tax return. Be thorough here. Accurate data entry is vital for a smooth filing process. Once your profile is updated, move on to the income section. This is where you'll report all your income from the previous year. Whether it comes from employment, freelance work, investments, or any other source, it's essential to provide complete information. Turbotax offers guidance on how to enter various types of income, so take advantage of those prompts if you aren't sure about something. With your income entered, you're much closer to completing your return. The next steps usually involve entering deductions, credits, and any other pertinent information that affects your tax situation. Stay attentive and double check your entries. Turbotax typically offers suggestions and reviews to help you optimize your return, which can be incredibly beneficial. And there you have it. Filing your 2021 taxes with Turbotax is a structured yet manageable process. Remember, taking the time to accurately follow these steps can save you from potential headaches later on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative guides. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your tax filing.